Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam games stuck on preparing to launch. This issue usually happens because of background Steam processes, corrupted cache, missing permissions, or broken game files. If your game never starts and just stays on preparing to launch, follow these steps. Fix 1. Fully close Steam. Important. First, you need to completely close Steam. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen next to the clock. Click the small arrow pointing up. Find the Steam icon, right-click on it, and click Exit Steam. Now press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click on Processes tab. Look for anything related to Steam, Steam Client, Steam Web Helper. Right-click on each one and click End Task. Now open Steam again and try launching your game. If it still gets stuck, continue. Fix 2. Clear download cache. Open Steam. Click Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings. Now click on Downloads. Find and click Clear Download Cache. Click OK and Steam will restart. Log back in and try launching your game again. Fix 3. Run Steam as administrator. Close Steam again completely. Now go to your desktop. Right-click on the Steam shortcut. Click Run as administrator. Try launching your game again. Fix 4. Verify game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on your game and click Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the process to finish. After that, launch the game again. Fix 5. Disable Overlay. Very common fix. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click your game, Properties. Under General, find Enable Steam Overlay while in-game. Turn this off. Now try launching your game again. Fix 6. Check antivirus or Windows security. Sometimes antivirus blocks the game from launching. Open Windows Security, click Start, type Windows Security, then open it. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Scroll down to Exclusions. Click Add or Remove Exclusions. Add your Steam folder and game folder. Now launch your game again. Fix 7. Restart your PC. Underrated fix. If nothing worked, click Start, Power, Restart. After restart, open Steam and try again. One of these methods should fix the preparing to launch issue on Steam. If this helped you, like and subscribe for more Steam fixes and PC tutorials.